Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can use the Life360 and how the whole process works if you want to use it and how to set it up. So right here I'm on like the birth, so I will just like choose here, continue, and then let's get started. So you can join a circle with an invite code from someone or start a new space for your people, pets and things. So if you actually have someone that can like invite you, here is going to be that where you can like join it. And if you don't have the circle invite code, you would click on the bottom right here with the yellow get started. Now, what would you like to start with? So we can add these things here. So first we can add people. So we're gonna start with that, where you can like invite friends, family, or others to a new circle. And this is where you're gonna put your circle name. And then what you're gonna do is that share this invite code with your family. So you can share the code, or what you can do is that you can just like screenshot it and you can send it to someone, right? That this is something that you can also do. And then you would click I'm done sharing. And how would you describe your role in the circle? Now you would click mom, dad, son, daughter, child, grandparent, partner, spouse, friend, or other. So I'm going to click here on dad. And now this makes it easy for a family to find you on the map. So I would click and add photo. So I'm going to click camera here. And now let's say I will just like click here. Okay. Okay, crop. So you just like add a picture of yourself that you will like screenshot yourself. So this is something that you can do. And now we're gonna press continue. Okay, Life360 requires these permissions to work. So first we need to have location and physical activity and notifications and Bluetooth. So I'm going to click enable. Okay. Now we have physical activity, notifications, and Bluetooth. So we got all of these, and then we're gonna press continue again. So add a place your family visits often, like home and school. Continue. So here, let's say I'm going to add, I don't know, like here, school. And like first, okay, we have to add a home. So let's add a home right here. Save. Home is now one of your places. So this is where we would add a home. Then we're gonna add another place. And let's say I'm going to add, this is like swimming school. This is like school. So school. Okay. School is now one of your places. Okay. And how is your free trial works? There you're gonna find like a free trial, like we don't want it. Now, okay. So now what actually happens here? So new and improve. So what we can do right here and how it works is that here we see the person, and if someone is going to have the app too, we would see like where they are. So here I want to show you like what you're gonna find. Okay, on the top left you're gonna find settings, where we're gonna look into those, where you can like change the smart notifications, the location sharing, all the important things. Then, okay, sorry, let's go back. Okay, when we have it, you're gonna find also, for example, the school here. Here we got a home, and here we got a school that we've added. So this is how you can always see that. And you can change the zone here if you want to, the place details, and if you can like delete the place. So that's for the place. Now, when we're gonna go further, on the top right, you're gonna find the inbox, where you're gonna find the alerts and tips and offers. And also on the top right, you're gonna find messages here. So you can start like a new chat. So that's something you can do. Now, also on the bottom left, you can do check-in. So let's say I'm in cleanup. And here you can have like check in here for 2 minutes. And you can have SOS. So use the Life360 SOS button when you feel unsafe. So if my daughter is somewhere and is walking along the night, and then you would just like, like press it. So practice SOS. And now SOS will be sent in, and if I want, I can like slide in to cancel it, right? So this is how it works. Okay, and the SOS would like send to the circle. Okay. We don't want to have a trial. So here for the SOS, this is how it works. Then on the bottom right, you're gonna find also location where you are. Always when I go like somewhere here, and I'm going to click on bottom right, it's going to come back to me. And then you can find the map type. So let's say you want to have a satellite here, right? Or like, for example, satellite or auto, or you're gonna have street, or you're gonna have satellite, okay? So this is how that works. Now, when we're gonna go further, you're gonna find here yourself, and then you would like have add a person. So I would click add a person, and I can add like mom here, and I can send the code to my mom, right? So that's how would they get like imported in. So then when you're gonna scroll down, what you're gonna do is that you can add an item or pet. So I can click add a pet here. I have a cat, Nayapi. Add a photo, and I can again like screenshot. Okay, same thing, looks great. And then you would just like add the information here. All set. Okay, and link Life360 tracker. So if you have a tracker, this is where you will like link it. Enable Bluetooth to connect to your tracker. So now you would just like connect to it with that, and you would press continue. Okay, and now this is how would you like connect it, if it makes sense, right? And this is how it works. And that's for the pets, right? And you can track her like real time. Then add item. This is very simple, similar thing. So put tiles on important things like keys, wallets, and bikes to see them on your Life360 map. So I would click here, add to tiles, and press and button the tile to begin activation with your ring. And this is something there, how you're gonna do it, if you have it, all right? So hope it makes sense. Now, when you see like this is where you're gonna have the places that you can manage and delete and add, and that's how it works. So that's for that. Now, what I want to also show you is drive report. So you're gonna have like your circle drives where you're gonna have like the speeding, rapid accel, and all those things. Safety. So turn on alerts to protect your whole family online. That's something like data breach you can check out, and also like crash alerts. So you're gonna have like around safety things here. Many of these are behind paywall. So that's how it works. And then you're gonna have also the membership here. So for the location on the top left, you're gonna find also create another circle. So on top, you're gonna have your circle that's like my family. But on the top left, you're gonna have settings here. So where you're gonna find something like smart notifications, right? Where you can check out notifications, location sharing. Also circle management, where you can have like role, leave circle, edit circle name, and you can add people to circle. And then you're gonna find like other things like drive detection, and you can turn this off and on. And that's pretty much it for this video. So I hope this video provided a little bit of value on how you can actually use the Life360. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.